Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Petplan Pet Insurance. Petplan Pet Insurance offers pet health insurance plans to cover veterinary costs for dogs and cats. Its main purpose is to help pet owners manage unexpected veterinary bills. Key features likely include different coverage levels, reimbursement options, and a claims process. Their website provides details on their various plans and pricing. They highlight aspects like different levels of coverage to suit various budgets and pet needs. They emphasize transparency in pricing, though specific details need to be checked on their website. Petplan's positioning is as a provider of affordable and comprehensive pet insurance. Availability is likely nationwide, but this should be checked on their site. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Petplan Pet Insurance. Getting started was pretty straightforward. I went to their website, filled out a short form with my dog's details, and received a quote within minutes. The website itself was easy to navigate. I found the information I needed quickly and efficiently. I opted for their comprehensive plan, which covers accidents, illnesses, and even preventative care. The claims process was surprisingly smooth. When my dog needed emergency surgery, I submitted the claim online with supporting veterinary documents. I received reimbursement within a week. I was really impressed by how quickly they processed the claim and the clarity of their communication. One minor drawback was the slightly complex terminology used in some parts of the policy documents. It took me a little while to fully grasp the nuances of the coverage. I had a quick question about a specific exclusion and their customer support responded within 2 days via email, which was perfectly acceptable. The standout feature for me was definitely the speed and efficiency of the claims process. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Petplan Pet Insurance. It provided peace of mind knowing that I had financial protection for my furry friend's unexpected health needs. That's my overview of Petplan Pet Insurance. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.